Hey everyone, I'm Zack Thornton. I'm a security engineer here at nGuard, and in this video demonstration, I'm going to show you some of the most common ways nGuard gains initial access in customer environments. Then I'm going to show you how we take that initial access, chain it together with other attacks, obtain full administrative control over a compromised machine. There's a couple tools I'm going to use in today's demonstration. I'm going to kind of go through them and explain them, and then we'll jump right into the demo. You can see what I have going on here in my terminal here. There's a couple tools here. The first is going to be Responder. The Responder is an LLMNR and NetBIOS responder. It answers to specific NetBIOS name service queries based on their name suffix. By default, the tool answers to file service requests for SMB, and that's what we'll utilize in today's demonstration. The second is going to be nGuard's proprietary password cracking machine, which we call here at nGuard the Kraken. This is where we load password hashes to run various rule sets against hashes that we collect in an attempt to discover the clear text password. The third is CrackMapExec. CrackMapExec is a post-exploitation tool that helps automate the assessing of large security Active Directory environments and networks. A ton of features and tools within CrackMapExec, but I won't show in this demo. What I will utilize it for is to quickly generate a list of hosts with SMB signing not required or disabled. The fourth is a tool from Impacket. It's a Python module that will take our NTLM hashes, our net NTLM hashes, whether it's V1 or V2 that we're getting from Responder, and then perform SMB relay attacks on that hash to based on the targets that we give it as input, and it'll attack it against those targets that we discovered with SMB signing disabled. And then the last tool, the most powerful one in here, is going to be PowerShell Empire. PowerShell Empire is another post-exploitation agent. It implements the ability to run PowerShell agents without actually needing PowerShell.exe. There's modules in there from keyloggers to Mimikatz for dumping credentials. It really has adaptable communications to evade network detection. Tools have been around for some time, but often works in customers' environments, can prove to be very powerful in obtaining and maintaining persistent remote access. So let's get into the demonstration here. So we have a lab environment set up that we'll be working with to show you exactly how all these tools work and really how easy it is to chain together various attacks and maintain our persistence within networks. So let's head over to our first tool here, Responder. We're going to launch it, allow it to listen to respond to NetBIOS traffic requests on the network, see if we're able to capture some hash credentials. So we have our tool, Responder, specifying our interface, our tap0 interface, and additional commands here. So we're going to start it. We're just going to listen for some events, and pretty quickly we'll be able to see some hashes that will come through, events on the network of machines trying to reach out, sending out their broadcast traffic. We're man in the middling that and saying, hey, I'm the machine that you're looking for. Send me your hash credential. And as you can see right here, it's coming up, and we're getting the hash credential on a machine here for D manual. So this is exactly how it would work on an internal pen test. We're seeing this come through usually pretty quickly for the environments, and you usually see multiple systems having these come through. So I'm just going to stop this so we can just take a look here. You can see we have the user, the domain, and then our hash credential, and it's specifying it's an NTLM v1 SSP hash. So what we would do first is we would take this hash, or the hashes that we have here between the two machines, bring those over to our password cracker, the Kraken, and try to crack it. I have preloaded these hashes in here and started cracking on them before I started this video demonstration. We'll be able to see how we did and the time that it took to crack it. We'll show you that. But what we would do is put that in there, and really, instead of just sitting and waiting to see if we get a clear text password, let's see if we can improve upon this.